So I'm updating the website and I'm adding a few things, getting ready for a video that's coming out this Friday. And one of the things PACKOUT Princess showed me is that I have tons of these clips. Let me show you. So these are little battery clips for these USB batteries, these lithium USBs. Okay, and so if you have these power sources or these power sources, this one's just a charger. This one is a charger / battery bank. They run on these little batteries. And I got these mounts that he designed, Electronsmith designed, and I printed them off, and then I went ahead and customized them, and I joined them together, made a triple mount, a quad mount. He then customized it again to be able to hold the power source, and then made a new one that can hold, can mount via zip ties. So I did these tripod ones, and I'll show you a video of me adding one to there. But I had printed off, don't mind the socks, I had printed off a bunch of extras over the while and realized that they never got moved to the new site, but I also realized I never showed off what they do. So as you can see, you can just screw this one onto a wall, onto a vehicle. The zip tie ones, you can put them onto a roll cage, a tripod is what I use them for. We can even do ones for unistruts. So let me show you putting one on the tripod. So I've been filming enough videos recently that I'm constantly going back and forth between the two tripods. And I'm always using these little Milwaukee REDLITHIUM power sources / chargers. And if you guys don't know, you can get these 3D printed clips, which we sell, designed by Electronsmith. And I've got one on the tripod that I'm using for this camera. And I just decided I liked it so much, so printed another one off. And this time I am going to put it on the center so it doesn't stick out. And it's as simple as running the zip tie through there. And if I center this, if I place this on here properly, I should be able to put it in a spot that's out of the way when it's folded and out of the way when it's not. And of course, I will make sure that I leave these zip ties as sharp as possible. So that looks good. Let's try it out. It clears. And it clears. Now I've got power on the go for the tripod. It's out of the way. Yeah. So yeah, they are going on the website. Click the link. I only am putting available what I have in stock, so you can buy them and get them right away. Check them out. You can do a lot of pretty cool stuff with it. Thanks for watching all. See ya. By the way, subscribe right now and you'll see these. Plus tomorrow, Friday, the 14th, I got a new video coming out on a new product, and let's just say it has to do with pins. So I hope you're subscribing and watch these videos. Thanks a lot.